Welcome back to our SolidCAD tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to explore a powerful tool called Defeature. So let's dive right in. Let's understand what Defeature is all about. Defeature can help you simplify and optimize your designs, saving you time and protecting intellectual property. In the Solidworks menu, go to Tools, and select Defeature. This will open the Defeature Property Manager, which provides you with various options to customize the simplification process. Two methods are there, first simplified geometry and second silhouette. Let's start with simplified geometry. Here in simplified geometry, as per our requirement, what components you want to remove it, or else, I don't want to keep inside component, so selecting internal components, and selecting next button. Here in step 2, if you want to allow motion in assembly, select that overall component and hit next button. In step 3, if you want to keep some features in assembly, select feature from design tree, and hit the next button. Wait till features get removed. Once the feature body is created, here you can select which part or bodies you want to keep or delete. Select according to your choice. Here, I want to remove the base part, so I will select the face or feature and hit OK button. After removing features, base part get removed as shown in video. Again, if you want to go back, hit back button, and select clear selection, if whole part is required and hit next button. Wait till features get removed. So, here you can create a new document, or publish to 3D content control, or perform more settings. After this step, hit the checkmark to save your Defeature part. After saving your part, we will close all the window and open that part in Solidworks again. Once part get open, go to design tree and have a look. You will only be able to see the feature or the feature bodies. Moving to second method, silhouette. Hit next button. Here, you can define groups for selecting specific component, or even you can merge all components. Let's see how this method works. As we have used simplify method, just like that here in silhouette, simplification method tab, from select none option, which will create copy of current part and convert it to single Defeature bodies. After merging groups, hit next button. So here you can create new document, or create new configuration, or publish to 3D content control. After this step, hit the checkmark to save your Defeature part. After saving your part, we will close all the window and open that part in Solidworks again. Once part get open, go to design tree and have a look. You will only be able to see the feature or the feature bodies.